Hello, everybody. Welcome to the Job Expo 2020. I'm pleased to be part of this forum. I'm based in Dubai for over 25 years, and I've been in the corporate world for 30 plus years, currently heading a business for facilities management and staffing for UAE and Oman. One of the interesting lessons I was taught actually on my first day of my career in 1988 with a small cartoon showed by a senior of mine at workplace. If you're not fired with enthusiasm, you'll be fired with enthusiasm. I think you couldn't have asked for a better lesson than that on your first day of your career. Passion, it's all about that for me and for a lot of people who I've worked with as my superior or as my peers or even as my team members. If you're not fired with passion and you're not enthusiastic about when you wake up in the morning and going to work, I think it's not going to be of great help to you. Enthusiasm is the most important thing. The first 5 years of your career is very critical for learning. It's all about hard work and learning the ropes of the trade you're in, and it's not about making money. That comes automatically once you've learned everything. Of course, it's learning is a journey, but it's very important to focus on learning than making money in your first 5 years of your career. Later on, it's all about as you grow up the ladder, as you get into the management side of the business, it's more about managing people than managing business. As Jim Collins said, you got to have the right people in the right seat in the bus, and then the journey is a very successful journey. And getting yourself a mentor very early on in life will be very useful. It can be someone from your family, someone from your social network, not necessarily somebody at your workplace, somebody from the school you went to or a B school you went to, and staying connected with a couple of them lifelong can be a very enriching experience. And I've done that, and I also pass it on now as my payback to the people who mentored me, who continue to mentor me, in fact. And last but not the least, one of the lessons which I was taught very early in life is about living within the means of what you earn. That means do not borrow beyond what you actually need. And that's where a lot of people get into a trap, which is a very easy thing to get caught in. And then the debt trap is the worst trap you can be in life, and which can make you take some very drastic decisions. So work on your passion, find what is that which fires you to get up and go to work. Find yourself a mentor. Do not borrow beyond the means. These are little things I can share from my career, which has been reasonably successful. Good luck, stay safe, take care, God bless.